Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11. To do that, all you have to do is come to search, and over here you are going to type download Chrome. Alright, on the right hand side, you are going to get the link to download Chrome, and it belongs to google.com. So that's the right one. All you now have to do is click on it, and it is automatically going to take you to the Google website from where you can download Chrome. Over here, you can see that the download Chrome button is clearly visible, and it's for Windows 11 10 64-bit. So all you have to do is click on this and the download will begin. You can see the download began and ended in a flash. Now over here, I am going to click on open file. And I think the installation has begun. All right, the installation completed. First it downloaded, then it installed, and Google Chrome is installed in my Windows 11. You can see. Now it is asking me to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. All right, I'm going to enter my email ID and click on next. Okay, it's asking me for my password. Let me enter that. So there is a two-step verification enabled for my account. So it is asking me to verify from another device. So let me do that. And since I have verified, now it is asking me to turn on sync, and I am going to click on yes, I am in, and it is asking me to set Google Chrome as my default browser. So I am going to click on set as default because I want Google Chrome to be my default browser. And there you go. Google Chrome is installed and running in my Windows 11. And let me open google.com. And you can see I have successfully opened google.com in my newly installed Google Chrome. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Google Chrome in Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. If you liked this video, then hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps a lot. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.